Assalamu alaikum and good morning, all my dear students. We are starting with chapter number 4, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. My dear students, first of all, let me tell you, everything in our surrounding, either it is a metal or else it is a non-metal. So we are starting with the intro of our chapter over here, that is, everything is categorized either as a metal or as a non-metal. Metal can be distinguished from the non-metal on the basis of the physical and chemical properties. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you, physical properties are the properties which you can touch, which you can look, which you can hear. In short, you are going to use your sense of organs and you are going to come to know. For example, simply you say the person is looking tall, the person is short, the person is very beautiful. Okay, so all this how you can recognize? By looking, by your vision, right? So same like that, we can go for looking for the material and we can say either it is a metal or non-metal. Okay, so what are those properties which we are going to deal? Let us see. First of all, I'm just showing you the mind map over here. My dear students, mind map, you are able to see that it is given over here. How you going to have your physical properties and your chemical properties. Physical properties of metal, physical properties of non-metal. Similarly, chemical properties of metal, chemical properties of non-metal. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the physical properties. हम physical properties की बात करेंगे. Okay. So in physical properties, first of all, we are starting it over here. Elements can be classified into the following group depending on the physical properties, physical and chemical properties. So we are going to see first of all with the physical properties of the metals. Okay, metals are the materials, my dear students, which are having some unique characteristic. They are having some properties. For example, we talk about their hardness, we talk about their luster. Luster means shine. Then we talk about their malleability. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of malleability. Okay, so one by one we are going to look forward with each of the properties. First of all, my dear students, we say that metals are generally hard. Metals are generally hard. Metals जो होते हैं वो बहुत hard होते हैं, आप उसको easily break नहीं कर सकते. Okay, metals are generally hard, but there are metals which are soft and which can be cut with knife. कुछ metals ऐसे भी हैं जो इतने soft है कि आप उसको knife से cut कर सकते हो. वो कौन से metals हैं? Sodium and potassium. My dear students, please remember, sodium and potassium are the metals which can be cut with knife. If we talk about the state कि आपके जो metals है वो कौन से state में होंगे? So my dear students, let me tell you, metals are generally solid in state except one, and which is that? It is mercury, my dear students. Okay, next, metals are lustrous. Luster का मतलब चमक, शाइन. ओके, तो मेटल शाइनी होते हैं बट उनकी शाइन एक मेटल की दूसरे मेटल से अलग होती है. इट इज़ नॉट सेम विथ ऑल द मेटल्स. द शाइन ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम वन मेटल टू दी another one. For example, gold, silver, they are very shining, but if you compare the iron, it is not that much shining material. Okay, so it depends. It is a property of the metal which makes them shine, and the structures are capable of reflecting incident light. Okay, so that is, you call that they are lustrous. Next, very important property, malleability. Malleability, my dear students, this property is the property of the metal in which metals are when hammered. आप जब उसको फोर्स करते हो, आप उसको बीट करते हो, यू आर एबल टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू थिन शीट. आप उसको थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. सो हियर इन वी से दैट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मेटल बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ विच it could be converted into thin sheets, that is known as malleability. This property is called malleability. Okay, so malleability is very beautifully given to it over here, That what is malleability? It is a property of the metal which allow them to bitten into thin sheet. For example, आपने गोल्ड फॉयल देखी है, आपने एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल देखी है, आपने सिल्वर फॉयल भी देखी है. गोल्ड फॉयल जिसको हम जनरली फूड रैपिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, खाना रैप करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज़ व्हाट यू हैव सीन. Then, my dear students, we talk about conductivity. Okay, let me tell you, metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. आपने देखा है कि हमारे जो कुकिंग वेसल्स है, okay, cooking vessels, those are made up of metals. Why it is made up of metal? Because they are able to conduct the heat. वो heat को कंडक्ट करते हैं. ओके, इवन द आयरन, यू आर एबल टू सी द प्रेस, इट इज़ द बॉटम इज मेड अप ऑफ द मेटल बिकॉज इट इज़ एबल टू कंडक्ट द हीट. सिमिलरली इट इज़ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो. ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी कंडक्ट करता है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हो आप कॉपर वायर. So wire is able to conduct the electricity which is made up of metal. So metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Then a very important property that is called ductility. Okay, what is ductility? It is the property of the metal which allow them to convert it into wires, which is allowing them to convert it into wires. So we call that this property is the ductility. Ductility, that is conversion of the metal into wire. Okay, then we have the next property, sonorous. What is sonorous? It is a property of the metal which produces ringing sound on heating. Okay, when you strike, अगर आप हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ मेटल को स्ट्राइक करते हो, it produces a ringing sound. ठीक है, ringing sound. नॉन मेटल्स भी आवाज़ करते हैं बट वो रिंगिंग साउंड नहीं होता. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेक अ डिफरेंस ओवर हियर. विच प्रोड्यूसेस रिंगिंग साउंड, दैट इज योर metals. So we call the property as a sonority. That is, metals are sonorous. Next to this, dear students, we are able to see the non-metals. Chalo, if you talk about the non-metals, my dear students, non-metals first of all are available in all the state. Non-metal solid भी होते हैं. For example, carbon as a coke, it is solid. Non-metals liquid में एक ही है. There is only one liquid at room temperature, that is bromine. B-R-O-M-I-N-E, bromine. Okay, which is liquid. That is only one. Okay, and gases majority. Oxygen, nitrogen, this all are the gases which are non-metal. तो metal solid में generally metal सिर्फ solid में ही होता है, but non-metal solid, liquid and gas तीनों तीन में possible है. Okay, if the question is asked which is the metal and non-metal liquid at room temperature, so you are having the answer: metal, mercury, non-metal, bromine. Bromine, it's one and the same. Okay, then we say metals are generally hard, but my dear students, we say that metals, as I told you, those are only solid, and non-metals are available in all the three states. Okay, then next, metals are hard but non-metals are brittle. metals को आप हाथ से तोड़ नहीं सकते हो, but non-metals, कोल की बात कर लो, कोलसा, ठीक है, उसको आप हाथ से तोड़ सकते हो. that is a brittle one. You can call it as a brittle. Then non-metals do not have luster. non-metals जो होते हैं वो चमकीले नहीं होते, उनकी शाइन नहीं होती है. हाँ, but there is a exception. दो ऐसे मटेरियल है जिनकी शाइन है, जो लस्टरस है. कौन? आयोडीन एंड ग्रेफाइट. ये एक्सेप्शंस बहुत अच्छे से रखने हैं आपको. आयोडीन एंड ग्रेफाइट, दे आर दी लस्टरस वन, दो दे आर दी नॉन मेटल. ओके, दे आर बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नॉन मेटल्स हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट नहीं करते, एक्सेप्ट वन, ग्रेफाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करता है. ओके, नॉन मेटल्स आर ब्रिटल होते, इजिली टूट जाते हैं, इसलिए आप उसको ना तो उसकी थिन शीट बना सकते हो, ना आप उसको वायर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. मतलब दे आर नॉन मेलेबल, दे आर नॉन डक्टाइल. ना तो मेलेबल है ना तो डक्टाइल है. दे आर नॉन सोनोरस, ना वो रिंगिंग साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. So dear students, in today's video we have seen with the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Next time we are going to deal with the chemical properties. Okay, till then take care every one of you. Allah Hafiz all my dear students.